Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So I've been a bit absent from YouTube lately. I've had some personal things happen. I'm not going to get into it, but I thought for my welcome back kind of video I would do something really fun and exciting and something that I really love, and that is a Geek Gear World of Wizardry subscription box unboxing. I have the box here in its wrapper, so I'm just going to take it out of its wrapper and let's get into the unboxing. If you like this sort of video, if you like me, then please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into this. So this is what the box looks like. It's this same box as last month. I think they just do the same style every month. I haven't had any sneak peeks. I haven't watched anyone else's videos. I haven't went online to their website to have a look or anything like that. So I have absolutely no idea what's in this box. From last month's box, there was a little hint on the back of the leaflet, and the hint was a picture of Sirius Black in his Azkaban prison uniforms type thing. So I think it's something to do with like the dark arts or Azkaban prison, or something to do with the Black family. Who knows? So let's stop rambling and get into it. Let's open it up. Oh, such a good sound. Okay, so we've got the same blue tissue paper as last time. So I'm going to set this aside next to me and pick up the first thing, and I'm going to close the box. I don't want to peek. So it looks like it's a t-shirt. Nice big black t-shirt again. Oh, this is quite cool. This is quite nice. It's got all of the Death Eater masks on them, and it's all in grey and black. I mean, that looks really good. It's like all different styles of masks. It's quite creepy. It's very gothic-y, and I really quite like that. I feel like you could probably wear this one out and about in the daytime because it just looks like a gothic t-shirt. You wouldn't necessarily know that this was specifically Harry Potter unless you were a Harry Potter fan. So I really quite like that one, and plus again it's really soft too, so it'd be excellent as a bed shirt. So that's the first item. Next one. Ooh, I think I've picked up two. Oh no, let's put one back. Okay, so the next thing, it says Animal House placemats. Let's... Oh wow! Oh my god! Okay, so this is actually really cool, and it's actually quite useful because I'm hopefully going to be moving out of my house in the next year or so. So this is actually really good. It's Animal House placemats. So they have, for example, this is the Gryffindor one. It's made out of sort of like, it's definitely plastic, but I can't think of what the name of it. It's like a really hard plastic. So you've got like a Gryffindor one, which is obviously red and gold with the lion, and you have the Ravenclaw one, which is blue and gold with the eagle on it. You have the Slytherin, which is obviously green and silver with the snake on it, and you have the Hufflepuff, which is yellow and black with the badger on it. That's actually a really good idea. I think these would be really good for like if you had kids. I don't have kids, but if you had kids, this would be so cool. This would make dinner times fun. So that's actually a really good idea. I like that. That's good. Right. Next we have this long box, and it says on the front House of Black just there with a little logo on it. So I think from the last box we got a Ron Weasley wand in a similar box to this. So I think this might be a wand. So I'm opening it up, and it comes in some tissue paper. This is definitely a wand. Okay, and the tissue paper is so cool. It's got like little Hogwarts H's in a little like cresting, and it's got like a row of snakes. It's got a row of eagles, a row of badgers, and a row of lions. I really love their tissue paper. So what's this? Oh wow! So it is a wand. So this is the wand. It's got some really nice, like, it almost looks like hieroglyphics. Oh, Egyptian writing. Hieroglyphics. Is that what it's called? something like that. Egyptian writing on the handle here, and the wand part here is like a really nice like swirly pattern with like circles and dots. I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to show you this. That's awesome. This is obviously a Death Eater's wand, because from what I remember, the Death Eaters use the kind of like hieroglyphic kind of text sort of writing, I think, or it's like associated with like the dark arts. So I feel like this is probably a Death Eater's wand. This is really nice. It's quite like weighty as well. It's really nicely made. I really, really like this. So that's really, really cool. My wand collection is growing. Right, so next we have a box. Okay, this is a really, really pretty box. It's really nice purple with like this gold pattern on it, and it says here, Madame's robes for all occasions. And then the top here, it's got a little like stamp type thing saying quality guaranteed. Oh, it's a tie. It's a tie. So we have a tie, and it's black, and on it, it has little silver sort of like glasses with the lightning bolt scar on it. Loads and loads of little ones, and it's all over the tie. That is super cute. I personally probably won't wear this, but I might be able to persuade my boyfriend to wear it on an occasion. So that's really, really cute. I love this box. This box is adorable. So I'm 100% keeping this box. Love the box. That tie is really, really nice, but I wouldn't wear it, I don't think, but there if I need it. So next we have another little box, and this is also a nice little box, and it says it's red, and it's got all the animals on it, so the badger, the snake, the eagle and the lion on it, and it says quality supplies with a little broom picture. So let's open this. Again, it's lovely and wrapped in tissue paper. Oh, this is nice. I like this. It's a key ring in the shape of a broomstick. I can't get it out. It's stuck. Oh, it's made out of metal as well. Okay, so it's a key ring in the shape of a broomstick. Maybe you can see that. It's really, really nicely made. It's quite hefty too. It's obviously the Nimbus 2000, I think. But that's really, really nice, like, keychain. I don't think I'd use it as a keychain because, you know, keys get bashed around quite a lot, and I don't want this to break. I really like this. Okay, so next we have this. Okay, we have a recipe card. This is for Queenie's apple strudel. I have never tried apple strudel, so now I have this, I might try it. So it actually looks really delicious. I feel like there's more recipe cards. Yes. Oh, wow. Now this would be a wicked birthday cake. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so this is one of the big recipes. As you can see, it's like a little booklet, and it is the Monster Book Cake. How cool does that look? Imagine getting that as a kid as your birthday cake. Wouldn't that be the best thing ever? Oh, that's so cool. Okay, and next we have a print. Okay, so this is really, really nice. It's H is for, and it's got a picture of Hagrid with Buckbeak and Fang and his wand. I don't know how you'll be able to see that. Oh, there you go. Look how nice that is. It's really nicely done. Hagrid looks so cute, doesn't he? And look at the little, look at Fang with his umbrella. That's so cool. I really like that. I'm starting to gather a little Harry Potter print collection. I don't know whether you can see, but just up here I have the Forks print from last month's box, and then just above that I've got a big like Quibbler print. So I'm really like getting my Harry Potter prints. Like, I'm starting a lot of collections. It's crazy with this box. Starting a lot of collections. Okay, so lastly, I think we've got two more things. So the second to last thing is this really, really nice little box again. It looks the same as this box, so they obviously go together, I would have thought. It's the same company, Madame's Robes for All Occasions. So let's take that off. Oh, okay. Definitely goes. It is one of those tie clips type thing, and it's really nice rose gold with a little blue enamelled lightning bolt on it. Like, look how nice that is. Yeah, it's a definite clip pin. So you get the tie, and then hang on, you get the tie and then you like clip it on like that. Look how nice that goes together. That's really pretty. Okay, so again, that's probably another thing for my boyfriend because I don't really wear ties. So you never know, I might go crazy one day and just go all out suit and tie. Why not? I don't know. Okay, and the last thing is another print. We have 2 prints in this box. So this is actually really nice print. It is, instead of wanted, it's called wanded. Okay, and it says extremely dangerous, and it's Macusa, Registered Office of Macusa. It's got a little validated bit here, and it's got like obviously where the picture of the person would be. That is really nice. That's awesome. With these prints as well, I have kept them in the cardboard and in the cellophane when I stick them up and stuff, because I want them to stay protected, and then maybe when I move out, then I can like buy nice frames that match the decor of the house and like hang them up properly. Or I could get like, I don't know, like a photo album or something that I can put them in that will keep them really nice and preserved, because they are really nice prints. I can make like a little book of prints. That would be quite a good idea actually. For the ones that don't make the cut and don't make it onto the walls, I can make like a little book of prints. So that's really cool. So again, that's everything in the box. We have quite a lot of stuff in this box. It's quite good. So now for the little leaflet, we have the Wizard's tie up here. These are the different types of tie pins that you can get. And then we have you could have gotten 2 different types of prints. You've got the one that I've got, which is here with Buckbeak, or you've got Hagrid at the Yule Ball. And then you have obviously the Monsters Book of Monsters and the apple strudel recipe card here. And then the wand, which is here, it just says it's a magic wand. Then you have the 4 house placemats. And then you have the wanted poster. Now these wanted posters, you have the normal poster, and then you have like a limited edition poster, and it says you know, there's only 1,000 of the limited edition ones made, will you be the 1,000 that receives one? So obviously the Hagrid one that I have is an ordinary one, but the Yule Ball Hagrid one is, I believe, the limited edition one. And then the wanted one, you see at the back here, you have a black wanted poster, and then the one that I have, and I think the one that I have is the limited edition one, so that's quite exciting. And then next we have the broomstick here, which is $5.99, and then the t-shirt. So it's all pretty standard stuff. And then we also have a little hint for next month's box, and it says the next month's box will have a licensed Luna Lovegood product exclusive to World of Wizardry customers. So that's exciting. I love Luna Lovegood. Love her. So yeah, that's it for the box. As a little side thing, because I only started my subscription in March, I did miss out on a couple of things that I did really want. So I went on the Geek Gear website onto the World of Wizardry part, and I bought 3 things to go with my Harry Potter collection. So really quick, I'm just going to show you the 3 extra things that I bought by myself. So the first thing I got is this really lovely drawing print of the Bowtruckle from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. It's so lovely. I mean, so it almost looks like a page out of Newt Scamander's like notebook when he studies all the animals and things. So I really wanted this print. I thought it was really lovely. I want to hang it up on my wall behind me. And next little thing I got was you probably won't be able to see this, but it's the plastic moulds to make the chocolate frogs. Well, there you go, you can sort of see it there, kind of. So you see the chocolate frog moulds here, there's 4 of them. I believe this was in January or February's box, I'm not entirely sure. It's when they started to first bring out the recipe cards for all the items. So I really wanted that because I love chocolate frogs and I'm such a chocoholic, it's not even funny. So I just had to have that. I just want to make my own chocolate frogs. And then the last thing I bought from the shop was, to me, a necessity, because I keep getting these cards in the subscription boxes now and I feel like it's going to be like a regular occurrence. I went and bought the binder that goes with them. It's a really nice binder. It says, "My Wizardry Cookbook, Recipes from the Wizarding World, with love from Wizarding World GEEK." And I didn't actually realise this, but when I bought it, it actually came with recipes already in it. So I don't, like, some of them I'm glad because I don't have, like, we got like the Happy Birthday Harry cake, butterscotch hot chocolate, golden flying cake pops, magical butterscotch and cheesecake, Weasley family breakfast, there's pumpkin pasties, filled chocolate frogs, there is magical butter cookies, I got that in the March box, butterscotch fudge I also got in the March box, so I've got 2 of those, and fever fudge I also got in the March box, so I've got 2 of those. And now I have 2 Monster Book cakes, recipe cards, so that's exciting, and Queenie's apple strudel. So I don't know whether that's all of the recipes, I don't think it is. I'm happy I've got my binder now, I can safely store these things away and so they don't get damaged. So that's everything for this video. It's a little bit rambly, but for my first video back I wanted it to be fun and I was really excited to do it and I'm glad I did do it. So thank you if you got to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. This is definitely going to be a series on my channel, I believe, because I really enjoy getting these boxes and opening them up and seeing what's inside. It's really exciting. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next video. Bye!